We would like to thank the city government of Baguio, headed by Benji Magolo, for his full support. Saka of course, lahat ng mga participants. This year, napansin ko parang mas maraming participants at saka mas maraming spectator. I hope this is a good sign na we can improve our relationship between the Filipino and the Chinese community. Alam mo, I always mention that it's better we talk of our people's to people's relationship. Yung local level. Let the billion politician resolve it na lang. Ang importante na yung pinagsamahan natin dito sa local level. And I wish someday sana China and Philippines will join venture.
Papasalamat ako sa kanila. Siguro, focus muna natin is turuan muna natin yung ating kapwa Pilipino kung paano mamili ng tamang deal.